Hello everyone, let's quickly walk through how to connect your Samsung Smart TV to a Wi-Fi network so you can enjoy seamless streaming and smart features. Getting your TV online is simple and only takes a few steps. First, press the home button on your TV remote and go to settings. From here, select all settings. Now choose connections and then tap on network. Next, open network settings and select wireless. You will see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list. If asked, enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Once done, select Done. And then choose OK to confirm. That's it! Your Samsung Smart TV is now connected to Wi-Fi. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.